Immunoprecise Antibodies Limited, IPA, is up over 100%. At some point, we saw an extension of about 157%. This is also on above average of over 90 million shares. The news is that Immunoprecise's PolyTope TATX-03 antibody cocktail potently neutralizes SARS-CoV-2 Delta variant in vitro pseudo virus assay. So the company anticipated viral evolution leading to novel SARS-CoV-2 variants of concern throughout the design of their PolyTope SARS-CoV-2 therapeutic cocktail, aiming to minimize the risk of mutagenic escape, reduction or elimination in the efficacy of a therapy or vaccine by virus mutation. As such, the company continuously validates and has demonstrated to date maintained neutralization potency of IPA's multi-antibody cocktail towards SARS-CoV-2 variants of concern. So this news release contains forward-looking statements within the meaning of applicable United States securities laws and Canadian securities laws. This simply means that the news you're hearing now is no guarantee of expected outcomes. So IPA is currently showing strength within a longer-term bearish trend. Its MACD is above the signal line, and shares are presently probably close to 30% above the 200-day moving average. However, that moving average is currently declining, implying that caution is still warranted. Comparative relative strength analysis shows that it is outperforming the S&P 500. Momentum for IPA is strongly bullish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is rising as investors are currently paying higher prices for shares. Today's vol is on track to be heavier than usual, with over 90 million shares having traded so far. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of that indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. So the stock has been swinging up and down, but the good news is that it has this. It says here it has this therapy they have, this therapeutic cocktail. It can neutralize the delta variants of SARS-CoV-2, which is very good news. And having a small float, you would expect this sort of extension to happen. And amongst other things, the recent interest in stocks by a lot of market participants. So all in all, it's running a huge amount of extension. The stock is also still very much in a bearish underlying trend. The underlying trend is a bearish one. So be careful. Left to us, we will say, let the stock retrace, let it cool down a bit before you get involved. I know there's a big fear of missing out. Just know what you're doing out there, and thank you very much for watching this video.